Hey everybody. So on my jet ski mission here, I need to get a hitch onto my Chevy Trax. So I ended up getting a hitch from eTrailer, and as this is eTrailer spelled backwards. So I'm going to do an unboxing video on this, the things that are included, and in case you need a hitch for anything, we'll see how this guy holds up. So we'll do an unboxing and then I will do an install video as well. All right, enjoy. All right, got the trusty persuader here. Let's do this. There you have it. So this is everything that came in the eTrailer package. It looks like they were a little serious about losing anything off of here, so I need to cut that up. As you can see though, they put a nice protective barrier around the entry point to protect it from unauthorized entries, if you know what I'm saying. So this is the hitch fully unboxed. You have the electronics for the brake light, and you have the hitch itself. You have the ball mount. I did not get a ball because I don't know what size I need for the jet ski trailer. And then you have your mounting options. And I couldn't help but notice all this stuff says Kurt on it, and I don't know who the hell Kurt is, but I have your stuff. And this is the hitch installed. Everything went pretty well. I had to do some Dremel grinding of some of the sealant close to where the hitch lines up with. So if you do have a Chevy Trax at least, you need to grind down the sealant that's up at the top on the sides there where the hitch bolts to the frame. And aside from that, another worthy note is the thread sizes are different on some of the bolts, so they won't necessarily fit. But good luck if you take on this endeavor. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and certainly dislike if not. All right, take care, guys.